Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I recently decided to leave one of my favourite brands and I decided to return back to UberChic. So I went to one of the UK stockists of UberChic, which is Rainbow Connections, and purchased 2 UberChic stamping plates. Each plate will have its own video, so in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing UberChic stamping plate Damask and Baroque. As always, you can find information on where I purchased from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on, and please like this video. These things really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper along with 6 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. For the first swatch I'll be using a yellow coloured nail tip along with a burgundy metallic stamping polish. Now it's been a long time since I used UberChic, so I'm still sort of getting my eye back in with them. With this swatch I have removed the excess before stamping down. This image is stunning, it sort of reminds me of a royal crest. For the next swatch I'll be using a lilac coloured nail tip along with a berry purple stamping polish. This is a new colour combo because the stamping polish is very new to me, but it works so well with this design. There is quite a few of the fine lines within this design, so be careful of them coming back onto the nail, but I would definitely use this whole swatch as a mani. For the next swatch I'll be using a light blue coloured nail tip along with a dark blue stamping polish. With this really large designs, it can be used in a few ways, which I'll talk about later on. But I'll fill part of the image in with the stamping polish. Now instead of just stamping straight down, I will turn the stamper to the side and place down. But there was a lot of different directions I could have used with just this one swatch. For the next swatch I'll be using a coral coloured nail tip along with a burgundy stamping polish. Now with this image I noticed that there was another one just above it, but in another direction. So these two images will make great opposite nails within a mani. I absolutely adore this style of design. It is just so pretty, and I almost used it for my mani, but I changed my mind right at the last minute. For the next swatch I'll be using a light green coloured nail tip along with a dark green stamping polish. There were so many different designs I wanted to use for this video swatches. It was so hard choosing which ones to use. However, this is another one I really liked and I felt that it might be a really popular image to use. I also really like the colour combo with this design. Again, another beautiful swatch. For the next swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with a neon pink stamping polish. Now with these diamond shaped images you'll see that I'm laying the polish in sort of a triangle. Why I do this is so that I know the whole image is covered from the widest points and also from top to bottom, but also that I'm not flooding the design with excess polish. This is a really beautiful image. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches, a mani that I've created from UberChic stamping plate Damask and Baroque. UberChic stamping plate Damask and Baroque is just a plate full of amazing designs. There is 14 normal square designs along with that really large image, and then there is 31 small mixed size designs. Like I said, this plate is full. So with some of the smaller designs I've added more than one image to a pop stick. Also some of the normal square designs are like the same. They're like the one on the bottom row, but the one is a negative side of the design. I think there's about 4 or 5 of them. I'm not a huge fan of using the negative side of images. That's just my personal preference though. Now with that really large design I've taken 2 different swatches. However, there are so many different swatches that you can take, like straight down or upside down or to the side or diagonally. I used to love these really big designs on UberChic plates. I used to sometimes take 4 different swatches from that one really large design just to show how the difference between each swatch was. Now I used to have a really big collection of UberChic plates, but I then put them all on my destash page and they all went. So these are the only 2 UberChic plates I have. I will however only be purchasing the individual plates, not the 3 sets of plates, just because I find that a lot of them images are very samey but the individual plates I'm definitely looking at. Now, I haven't used UberChic plates in probably close to 3 years, so this was the first time I've used one of their stamping plates with the brand of stamping polish I work with, and that's Clear Jelly Stamper, and they worked really well together. I was really impressed with the swatches. I love having damask plates in my collection, and I already have a few from other brands. I will be looking into getting some other single plates from UberChic to start to grow my collection again. There was a Moroccan style plate and a vacation plate that I really liked the look of. But if you know of any that you think I might like, then leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear some of your suggestions. So for the Mani, I've used a aubergine purple coloured gel polish as my base colour, and I've stamped in a molten silver stamping polish. With this Mani, I've used a mix of designs. 2 nails have the large image on them, which are the thumb and the ring finger. On the middle, I've used one of the large smaller designs. Now on the index and pinky, I've taken the small design and added them. Now with these two, they are different sizes, so I've used both according to the size of the fingernail. I really like how this Mani has come out. It's very different, but it's bold. I do really like it. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the Mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I would be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on UberChic stamping plate Damask and Baroque. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.